Hi guys, hope you are doing good. Here I am back again with our new app Zodiac Horoscope. This is the home screen for the app. First thing is you have to select your date of birth. Depending on that, it will show your zodiac sign. For example, my date of birth is 23rd June 1993. It's showing Cancer is my zodiac sign. Click the sign. By default, it will show you today's horoscope. You can swipe left and right for tomorrow's horoscope, weekly horoscope, monthly horoscope, yearly horoscope. There is a lot of reading in this. The yearly horoscope is classified under many categories: career and money, love, etc. Just go through it, read it. It has a lot of information which will help you a lot. On top there is a button to reduce or increase the font. Go back. Same of UI is for other signs also. For example, if your sign is Pisces, click the sign, it will take you to today's horoscope by default. Same goes for all the signs. Go back. On bottom right corner there is a button for more options. So I told you daily horoscope is the default feature. The second feature is sign compatibility. Sign compatibility gives you the compatibility report between you and your partner. So here choose your sign and your partner's sign. Let's say Gemini is your partner's sign. It is showing 40% is the compatibility for you and your partner. If you want to read more report, just click compare. It will give you a detailed comparison report. Just go through it. It will help you a lot. It will tell you what is going wrong or what should you improve or your partner should improve to improve the relationship. Go back. The third feature is zodiac profile. This is the basic zodiac profile, zodiac reading for your zodiac sign. So this is not the daily horoscope or monthly horoscope. This is the zodiac profile for your sign. Depending on the sign, how is your character or your hobbies, your personality, etc. Go back. The last feature is child astrology. Child astrology is zodiac profile for children. Same way we had zodiac profile for adults. This is the child zodiac profile. Here also you have button to reduce and increase the font. The last thing is on top right corner there is a button. You click on that, go to settings. Here depending on your liking you can customize the app. You can change the app theme, you can change the app font, you can change the color of the font or color of the title. Here also you can reduce and increase the font. So like this, here there are a lot of theme options available. Font you can change, there are a lot of font options available. Color also you can change font color, or if you don't like anything just click on reset to default. It will reset to default settings. Notifications, we have a notification set at 8 AM in the morning every day. If you don't want it, just click disable. It will disable, but I would prefer to keep it enabled because it will remind you to read your horoscope early in the morning and you plan your day accordingly. The last thing is yeah, that's it. I think yeah, that's it guys. If you like the app, give us good ratings on Google Play Store and give your comment suggestions and write in your suggestions like any new features we should add. We will try to add it in the next update. Thank you for watching.